here at the Nelson project today. Gonna do a little testing with the mud mixer. First time we've used it. Been intrigued, been seeing it online. A guy's using it, giving it pretty good reviews. Check it out. Take our concrete bags over here, stick them inside the hopper, which is all dry. It's got a little actuator thing down in there that grinds it, not grinds it up, but funnels it through. Have our water source hooked up, which you can regulate your speed, and then it mixes up your concrete with your water and dumps it into the hole.
Way less work.
It's what you like, huh?
Yeah.
You are, oh, what are we missing?